Hi there, good morning guys. It's me again, the Cooking Angler. And today we're not able to go fishing because I found out that one of my rear tires is about to explode. Just one sharp object that might hit on the side wall of my tires. It's gonna explode. So I don't want to risk my life driving 100 kilometer per hour to 120 kilometer per hour, and then when it explode, it's very dangerous. So it's a good thing that I have two spare tires. So kakabit lang natin. I have an appointment today, and so ikakabit lang niya yung aking mga spare tires. So I just got it from Pick and Pull. So I just bought it at a very cheap price. So I will not be spending a lot of money today just to be able to fix that tire or to change that tire. Okay guys, so samahan niyo po ako for a tire change, and probably I will look for parts dun po sa aking tailgate, no? So which is not opening for so long. So now I have time. So I might as well fix that door or the tailgate today. Okay guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Hi guys. So we're here at Fountain Tires. So my car is already in. So I'll be probably wait for probably an hour or two. I don't know if they will fix it right away, but my car is already in the workshop. Okay, so while they have Wi-Fi here, so I will probably play some videos of my sowered friends. Okay, I just done watching the DIY toilets and more videos to be watched. Okay.
One of them's in one of them's our gun block, which is one of the units in that particular size, definitely the top rated and performing tires. Very comparable to the original Lizak emission. Yeah, that's the XI3 emissions and that all tire. And there's also our Goodyear Command, which that is up. That's kind of in cover yeah, and then cover that one. Command is really well so far. I actually put a stud on my wife's Odyssey. I did stop them just because we're finding that they need some PA or pretty snow recovery.
And guys, so while waiting, kape-kape muna tayo. Libre naman ng kape eh. Kaya lang, they ran out of coffee. Saktong-sakto lang nakuha ko. Okay guys, so tapos na tayo sa ating tire change. So pinarotate ko na rin yung tires para yung mas bago na tires ay nasa harap. So pinarotate na po natin. So ang pinalitan nila yung likod, so pinadala natin yun sa harap. So tire rotation. So we didn't spend much. So tama lang po. Okay. So ngayon naman total nag car maintenance tayo today. Punta naman tayo dun sa part supply. Bibili tayo ng we will buy hopefully meron silang stock para mapalitan natin yung lift gate switch o tailgate switch. Yan. Pag nakabili tayo, DIY tayo rin today. So malapit lang naman yon, on the next block lang. So kaya we can maximize our day to day sa ating car maintenance. Alright. Guys, dito tayo bibili ng parts sa Napa. Tamang-tama lang guys na hindi tayo nag-fishing today because the weather is not that good. Ayan po, it's starting to rain. So tama lang na car maintenance tayo today. So I guess this vlog is all about car maintenance. So nakapagpalit na tayo ng 2 tires and we do tire rotation as well, and we went to auto parts supply and fortunately we get one. So hopefully that's the exact part that I am needing, and para mapalitan natin yung ating lift gate switch. Okay. If you will notice mga kaibigan, guys, look at the trees, no? In this part of the road, makita nyo, no? All the trees, almost all the trees ay wala ng dahon, ano? Ayan. That's the indication that the season is about to change. So actually malamig na sa madaling araw dito sa amin. So malapit nang mag-winter. So kaya yung mga trees ay wala na halos lahat dahon. Ayan. Look. Some trees still have leaves, but they're all falling like this one. Ayan, no? Punong-puno ng dahon sa ilalim ng puno. Ayan, car wash lang tayo today. Ayan. Alright. Yun, may slot dito. Alright guys, so gagawin na po natin yung ating lift gate switch. So ito po yung ating parts. Ito guys ang problem natin, ano? It won't open. So nakiklik siya, but ayaw niyang mag-unlock. So we will fix this. Okay. Stay close guys. Alright. Then let's try to open it. There you go. Alright. Gawa na po ang ating lift gate. Alright. We can now open and close it. Okay. Thank you.